Imagine a home built not from concrete or steel, but from wood. That's exactly what researchers in the United States have done with their groundbreaking project called Biohome 3D. Using wood fibers and natural resins sourced from the local timber industry, they created 4 printed modules and assembled them into a fully functional house. Spanning 57 square meters, this home includes a kitchen, bedroom, living room, and bathroom. Everything you need in a compact space. What makes it even more remarkable is its sustainability. At the end of its lifespan, the entire structure can be recycled, reducing waste. As the world's first 3D printed house made from bio-based materials, Biohome 3D also offers a much more affordable alternative to traditional housing. The creators of BrickB have developed an innovative building system designed for compact and quickly assembled houses. Instead of relying on glue, nails, screws, or heavy machinery, their method uses specially designed wooden blocks that easily fit together. In a demonstration, a team of just 4 people managed to build an entire house in only 10 days. One of the biggest advantages of this system is flexibility. The house can be dismantled and reassembled in another location without losing strength or quality. This makes it practical not only for building on the ground, but even for constructing homes on rooftops of high-rise buildings. Transporting the blocks is also simple. When taken apart, they become 4 times smaller and lighter, which makes carrying them by hand much easier. This efficiency means they can be moved without the need for large trucks or cranes. Beyond houses, the BrickB system is versatile enough to be used for renovating apartments, offices, and other spaces, offering a modern, practical, and eco-friendly construction solution. The founder of Feelingwood brings years of experience in wood-plastic composite projects and noticed many challenges in the industry. To solve them, he created innovative solutions like 3D textured boards and smart installation clamps. These special clamps make the process quick and effortless. Just insert, twist, and push, and the board locks securely in place. This method saves up to 60% of installation time compared to traditional systems, making it a game-changer for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The hidden fastening system ensures a clean, elegant look without visible screws, which many customers prefer. Although the clamps are designed to work only with Feelingwood products, they guarantee excellent aesthetics, reliable performance, and user-friendly installation for beautiful, long-lasting projects. The Immerso tiny house is a creative design by 2 architects who wanted to make something both practical and inspiring. Even though it covers just 6 square meters, it can comfortably fit up to 4 people. What makes it truly special is how easy it is to assemble. A team of 4 people can set it up in only 2 hours, and no special tools or construction skills are required. If you can connect plywood pieces, you can build it. This tiny house is more than just a shelter. It blends the functionality of a guest house with the comfort of a lounge. Its walls and roof are made of transparent panels, allowing residents to enjoy the beauty of the surrounding landscape from inside. At the same time, privacy isn't sacrificed, since curtains can be drawn whenever needed. The house shown in the project is located in the Italian Alps, making the transparent design even more stunning. It's an ideal option for nature lovers who want a cozy, simple, and beautiful retreat close to the outdoors. Modvian has made history by building the world's tallest wind turbine primarily out of wood. Yes, that's right, wood. While some steel fasteners were used in the process, the main structure is built from strong laminated timber. Standing at an impressive 105 meters tall, The tower was constructed by joining 7 large sections together. Once the blades were added, the full height reached about 150 meters. This remarkable turbine is located in Sweden, and it's not just a demonstration project or an artistic installation. It's a fully functioning part of the local energy system. With a capacity of 2 megawatts, it can generate enough electricity to power around 400 homes. That's a significant contribution to clean, renewable energy. One of the most interesting advantages of building wind turbines from wood instead of steel is cost efficiency. The taller the wooden turbine, the more affordable it becomes compared to traditional steel structures. Timber towers can be manufactured in sections that are easier to transport on standard public roads. This eliminates the need for heavy, oversized transport vehicles that are usually required to move massive steel parts. Beyond cost and logistics, wooden turbines also offer environmental benefits. Laminated timber stores carbon, which makes these structures more sustainable compared to energy-intensive steel production. Modvian's design shows that renewable energy can be produced using renewable building materials, making the entire system even greener. This wooden wind turbine is more than just a technological milestone. It represents a smarter, cleaner, and more sustainable way to harness the power of the wind. Naturi technology is an innovative construction method that uses vertical timber houses built without glue, insulation, or chemical treatments. This makes the process natural, eco-friendly, and simple. One of its biggest advantages is the lightweight design. No single element weighs more than 15 kilograms. This makes it possible to build even in remote or hard-to-reach areas without relying on heavy machinery. Despite being lightweight, the vertical wall elements are incredibly strong, offering 8 times more load capacity than horizontal ones. The system is also so stable that builders don't need extra formwork during finishing. The first Naturi house was built in the Austrian Alps in 2000, and since then, this technology has spread successfully across Germany, France, Italy, and other parts of Europe. A reciprocal roof is a fascinating construction method that relies on balance and cooperation between its parts. Instead of being held up by a central post or multiple supports inside the room, this unique roof design uses beams, rafters, or rods that lean on and support one another in a circular arrangement. The weight of each element is transferred to the next, creating a strong and stable structure that only needs support around the outer edges of the room. This clever method eliminates the need for intermediate pillars, giving the space a more open and spacious feel. When properly built, reciprocal roofs are not only functional but also highly durable. Their strength lies in the way the elements are positioned, locking each other in place like pieces of a puzzle. To understand how this works, you don't need to start with full-sized beams. You can create a simple model at home using everyday items like matchsticks. By arranging them carefully in a circle where each one rests on the previous stick, you'll see how the system holds together without collapsing. For those who learn better through visuals, there are many demonstrations available where experts construct reciprocal roofs with precision. For example, some builders use 16 rafters to form a perfectly balanced roof frame before adding the final roofing material. While attaching the covering can take a little extra time and effort, the finished result is worth it. The design not only stands strong but also looks striking, combining engineering brilliance with architectural beauty. When it comes to transporting and constructing wooden structures, protecting the timber is a must. One great solution is the Rothoblaas Defense Adhesive Membrane. This innovative product offers reliable protection while keeping the building process smooth and efficient. The membrane is transparent, which makes it easier for workers to mark and measure directly on the surface without hassle. Since it's self-adhesive, installation is quick and simple. No need for extra tools or complex steps. Despite being lightweight at only about 200 grams per square meter, it's tough enough to handle demanding conditions. What makes it even more impressive is its performance. The defense adhesive membrane is completely waterproof, keeping wooden elements safe from rain or moisture. At the same time, it allows vapor to escape, preventing trapped condensation that could damage the structure. Thanks to its advanced formula, it can safeguard your timber for up to 12 weeks, giving you plenty of time to complete construction without worries. Rothoblaas. The company behind this product is known worldwide in over 70 countries for its high-quality tools, fasteners, equipment, and building solutions designed especially for wood construction. By 2030, the United Nations estimates the global population will reach around 8.5 billion people. At the same time, a G20 report warns that about 40% of the world's population may not have proper housing. This makes fast and affordable construction technologies more important than ever. One promising solution comes from the Belgian company Sysimber. They have developed a smart building system using solid wooden blocks that fit together with a simple tongue and groove connection. These blocks are further secured with anchors, placed in pre-drilled holes, making the structure sturdy and reliable. The best part is that this method doesn't require a team of professional builders. In fact, just 2 or 3 people with little experience can put together a small house in only a few days. There's no need for extra insulation or interior finishing, and the house can even be dismantled and moved elsewhere if needed. While not designed for luxury, this system provides an affordable, practical, and flexible housing solution for millions of people in need. At the University of Maryland, researchers discovered a fascinating way to transform ordinary wood into something extraordinary: transparent wood. They began by boiling wood in a solution with chemicals like sodium hydroxide to remove lignin, the natural substance that gives wood its color. Once the lignin was gone, the wood became see-through. To strengthen it, they infused it with epoxy resin. The result was a material that's not only 5 times stronger than regular wood, but also recyclable. This breakthrough could completely change the way we design and build. Imagine transparent wood being used in homes, offices, and unique architectural projects. Beyond buildings, it also holds promise for optical devices and solar panels, offering exciting new possibilities for the future. Woodcrete is a fascinating building material that has been around since the 1930s, yet it is still widely used and continues to evolve. Over the years, new variations such as electrically ozonated woodcrete have been developed, but the basic formula remains the same. It is usually made from Portland cement mixed with sawdust, wood chips, and a range of chemical additives like sodium silicate. This combination creates a unique material with several valuable qualities that make it popular in both commercial and residential construction. One of its greatest advantages is its lightweight. A cubic meter of woodcrete weighs only about half as much as the same amount of traditional brick, which makes it easier to transport and handle on construction sites. Another benefit is its workability. The material can be cut with ease. allowing builders to shape and adjust it without much effort. Its porous texture also provides an ideal surface for plastering, which simplifies finishing work and saves time. Of course, Woodcrete does have some drawbacks. For example, its porous structure makes it more vulnerable to strong winds and moisture compared to denser materials like brick or concrete. Still, despite these limitations, its practicality and versatility ensure that it remains a trusted choice in the building industry. The fact that experts in countries like Austria continue to rely on Woodcrete shows its lasting value. It may not be perfect, but its balance of lightness, ease of use, and adaptability explains why this nearly century-old invention is still standing strong in modern construction. Cross-laminated timber, CLT, is becoming one of the most exciting innovations in modern construction. The market for CLT panels is expected to reach around $2.3 billion, with an impressive annual growth rate of about 12.5%. But what makes CLT so special? Simply put, it's a building material made by layering pieces of wood at right angles and bonding them together. This process creates large, strong, and stable panels that can be used for walls, floors, and roofs. CLT is not only durable but also eco-friendly, offering a sustainable alternative to concrete and steel. Builders and architects value it for its strength, speed of construction, and design flexibility, making it a key player in the future of sustainable building. Advantage Deck Tiles. Advantage Deck tiles are praised as the perfect choice for anyone who loves DIY projects. With these tiles, you can give any space a completely new look in just a single day. For example, if you have an old concrete walkway that looks dull, you can instantly upgrade it by covering it with stylish Brazilian natural wood tiles. These tiles are not the cheapest option, though. A single 50-centimeter square tile made from exotic Garipo wood costs around $19. While the price may feel high, the beauty of the wood is worth it, as its rich color becomes even deeper and more attractive with time. Another big benefit is their durability. The manufacturer guarantees protection against mold and rot, which means you don't have to worry about long-term damage. Installation is also designed to be simple, easy enough for one person to handle without professional help. To make things even better, step-by-step video guides are available to walk you through the entire process with ease. A fold-a-fold is part of the modern wood renaissance, and it brings an incredible idea to life: building a 51-square-meter home in just 6 hours. The construction style is inspired by jigsaw puzzles and origami, making it both innovative and efficient. These houses are light and designed to stand easily on pile or screw foundations, which means they can be set up in many different environments without heavy groundwork. Every standard A-fold unit comes fully equipped with essentials: plumbing, air conditioning, insulated windows, a hot water system, and complete wiring. The only thing not included is furniture, giving you the freedom to design the interior as you wish. Thanks to their quick assembly and smart design, A-fold houses are an excellent choice for camping grounds, glamping areas, or even personal retreats. With options that include up to 4 bedrooms, they provide both comfort and practicality, making them a versatile solution for modern living and outdoor adventures. ClipUp System.Garbalado has created the ClipUp system, a smart and patented flooring solution designed to make life easier. With this system, you don't need glue or a magnetic base. The floor is ready to use right after installation. It's built with durable polymer clips and special milling that lock the boards firmly in place, giving you a secure and long-lasting floor. One of the best features is its flexibility. If a board ever needs to be replaced, you can easily remove and reinstall it without damaging the floor. This makes it an excellent choice not only for homes but also for high-traffic spaces like gyms, where strength and dependability really matter. Garbellato also produces the wooden boards that pair perfectly with this system, ensuring consistent quality. Every year, the company manufactures over 1 million square meters of wooden flooring, combining Italian craftsmanship with innovation to bring customers a reliable and elegant flooring option. Form at Wood. Form at Wood began as a small woodworking shop but has grown into a global design brand known for its unique acoustic wood panels. These panels don't just look stylish, they also transform the atmosphere of any room. Many reviewers describe the feeling they bring as warm and comforting, almost like the softness of freshly baked bread. Beyond aesthetics, the performance numbers are impressive. A single 30mm thick panel can absorb more than 60% of sound within the 200 to 800 Hz range, significantly improving speech clarity. This makes conversations sound clearer and reduces background noise, creating a calm and inviting environment. Crafted from premium materials like oak, ash, and American walnut, the panels offer both beauty and function. Their natural textures and tones add elegance to interiors while delivering professional-grade sound control. Whether used in a recording studio, office, or living room, these panels strike the perfect balance between performance and design, making them a practical yet stylish solution. Laberty is a company that has built its reputation on working in two main directions: designing and constructing classic log homes and developing modern frame structures. This dual focus allows the company to appeal to people who love the timeless charm of traditional log cabins, as well as those who prefer contemporary designs that fit today's lifestyles. Behind this success is the owner, a former vice president of the International Log Builders Association, who brings years of hands-on experience and leadership in the industry. His knowledge and vision give the company a strong foundation for delivering projects that stand out for both quality and creativity. What makes Laberty unique is the way it combines traditional craftsmanship with the advantages of modern technology. The team understands the importance of preserving the authentic artistry and character of log building, while also recognizing the value of advanced tools that improve accuracy and efficiency. For example, in the early planning and modeling stages, Laberty uses specialized software developed by Drix North American, one of Europe's leading suppliers of wooden house design technology. This ensures that every detail of a project is carefully designed and optimized before construction begins. By blending heritage techniques with innovative digital solutions, Laberty provides homes that are not only visually striking but also structurally reliable. Each project reflects a careful balance between history and progress, offering clients homes that feel warm and timeless yet meet modern standards of comfort, safety, and precision. Through this thoughtful approach, Laberty continues to build trust, beauty, and durability into every home it creates. A fold-a-fold is part of the modern wood renaissance, and it brings an incredible idea to life, building a 51 square meter home in just 6 hours. The construction style is inspired by jigsaw puzzles and origami, making it both innovative and efficient. These houses are light and designed to stand easily on pile or screw foundations, which means they can be set up in many different environments without heavy groundwork. Every standard A-fold unit comes fully equipped with essentials: plumbing, air conditioning, insulated windows, a hot water system, and complete wiring. The only thing not included is furniture, giving you the freedom to design the interior as you wish. Thanks to their quick assembly and smart design, A-fold houses are an excellent choice for camping grounds, glamping areas, or even personal retreats. With options that include up to 4 bedrooms, they provide both comfort and practicality, making them a versatile solution for modern living and outdoor adventures. MPDA Barcelona Tech, also known as MPDA, stands as one of the largest and most dynamic engineering universities in Europe. With a thriving community of more than 30,000 students and a wide network of advanced research centers, it has become a hub for innovation in construction and design. The university is not just about theory. It is a place where creativity meets real-world application. One fascinating example of their work is the creation of experimental pavilions. These are not ordinary structures. They are designed using the Zollinger system, an ingenious method of forming interlocking wooden meshes. The result is a framework that appears light and delicate, yet carries remarkable strength and stability. In one particular pavilion, students chose to work with birch plywood, each piece just 12 millimeters thick. With precision and collaboration, they transformed these slender wooden sheets into an elegant and resilient structure. What makes this approach so exciting is not only the artistry but also the potential it unlocks for the future of construction. Projects like these are paving the way toward modular wooden buildings that can be mass-produced, easily assembled, and environmentally friendly. They highlight how sustainable materials and smart engineering can go hand in hand to shape the future of architecture. Barcelona Tech is inspiring the next generation of engineers and designers to think beyond traditional methods. By combining innovation with sustainability, the university continues to set an example of how education can directly contribute to solving global challenges, particularly in the field of green building and modern architecture. Timber HP. Timber HP insulation is made from natural wood fibers, giving it impressive durability against moisture, mold, and rot. What makes it even more remarkable is its ability to withstand up to 2 hours of direct fire exposure. This strength comes from the addition of borate, a safe and commonly used chemical that can be found in everyday products like detergents and personal care items. Unlike traditional insulation materials that often rely on petroleum-based components, Timber HP is eco-friendly and sustainable. It's produced from wood chips and recycled byproducts from sawmills, resources that would otherwise go to waste. By turning these materials into high-performance insulation, Timber HP not only reduces waste, but also contributes to a cleaner environment. One of its standout qualities is its role in fighting climate change. Timber HP actively captures and stores carbon dioxide throughout its entire lifespan. This means that instead of adding to the carbon problem, it actually helps reduce it. The numbers are striking. It carries a negative carbon footprint of about -9 kilograms for every 18.5 square meters. That makes it one of the few building materials that's truly climate positive. It's no surprise that Timber HP has been gaining attention and growing rapidly. The company recently took over an old paper mill, transforming it into a state-of-the-art production facility dedicated to creating this innovative product. By reusing an existing industrial site, they've managed to breathe new life into the local economy while scaling up production to meet growing demand. Timber HP shows how building materials can be sustainable, effective, and climate-friendly, all at the same time. TrekBrick AG. TrekBrick is a smart solution to today's climate crisis and the massive CO2 emissions caused by the construction industry. Instead of traditional materials, it uses innovative brickwood bricks that fit together like Lego pieces. These bricks are connected with simple beechwood dowels, so builders don't need glue, nails, or screws. This makes the entire process quick, clean, and efficient. With TrekBrick, a 500 square meter floor can be built in just 2 days. Normally, the same project would take anywhere from 10 to 20 days using concrete. That's a huge time savings, making construction not only faster but also more sustainable. The system is extremely versatile, working perfectly for load-bearing walls and other structural needs. And because the bricks are reusable, buildings can be easily reconstructed, repurposed, or redesigned without wasting materials. TrekBrick combines speed, strength, and sustainability, showing how eco-friendly construction can truly reshape the future of building. Ubbink. Ubbink's bituminous tape is a reliable solution for protecting wooden deck beams and extending their life. Designed to withstand tough outdoor conditions, it stays durable in temperatures ranging from 40 Celsius to plus 182, ensuring your beams remain shielded through both freezing winters and scorching summers. The tape is also versatile. It can be installed easily even when the temperature is as low as 5 degrees, making it practical for use almost any time of year. One of its biggest advantages is its UV resistance, which prevents sun damage, and its protective layer that keeps out moisture, reducing the risk of rot. This means your wooden beams not only look better for longer, but also remain structurally sound, saving you from costly repairs or replacements in the future. Each roll measures 20 meters long and 80 millimeters wide, which is enough to cover and safeguard an 8 square meter terrace. With a price tag of $225 per roll, it's a valuable investment in keeping your outdoor spaces strong, safe, and lasting. Xfix at Xfix Insulation offers a quick and secure way to connect construction elements without the need for glue, screws, bolts, or complicated parts. The process is simple. You just place the Xfix elements into the grooves and tap them lightly with a hammer. This clever system ensures a strong hold while keeping the installation process fast and hassle-free. One of the key advantages of Xfix is its versatility. It can be used to connect roof sections, ceiling panels, and wall elements with equal efficiency. This makes it a reliable choice for both residential and commercial construction projects where durability and simplicity are equally important. Xfix has already proven its value in large-scale projects. It was used in the construction of the Bauhaus Archive in Berlin, a project known for its architectural significance. It was also applied in the Hasseltre office building in Norway, which covers an impressive 3,000 square meters of floor space. These examples highlight the strength and practicality of the system in real-world applications. The classic CR100 version of Xfix is available in different lengths, with sizes reaching up to 130 millimeters. This flexibility makes it suitable for a wide variety of building needs, whether you're working on small-scale residential fixes or major architectural projects. By eliminating the need for traditional fastening materials, Xfix not only saves time during construction but also reduces material complexity. It's an innovative solution that combines simplicity, strength, and sustainability, all in one smart connection system.